Mariam Linus channel. So, today the topic is the women's empowerment. So, let's begin with women's empowerment in international relations. We can see women standing by their sides, participating fully in all aspects of life, gaining knowledge, and becoming independent choices. If we look back at the past, international affairs were dominated by men. Women gained power and control over their lives. What's the impact of women's empowerment on international relations? They are willing to keep going. Let's talk about Fatma Jinnah. Is known as the mother of the nations. Her governments, democracy, and international solidarity shape Pakistan's foreign policies outlook. She became international symbol of women's empowerment, destiny of nation. Let's talk about Benazir Bhutto, the first female prime minister of Pakistan and the first woman to lead a Muslim majority country, play a significant role in international relations and women's empowerment. Her leadership reshaped Pakistan's global image and strengthened diplomatic ties. She became a symbol of hope and inspirations of women worldwide. Let's talk about the Lieutenant General Nigar Johar Khan, the first female three-star general. She shows that Muslims can achieve high ranks in male-dominated fields. She is a symbol of women's empowerment in military leaderships and international relations. Let's talk about Justice Aisha Malik made history of Pakistan's first female Supreme Court judge. Diplomatic image in human rights discussions and encourages greater representations of women in international courts and legal policy making. When we look at internationally, women's empowerment is not just about women, its benefits. Let's talk about the Kamala Harris, a vice president, represents how women's empowerment strengthens in international relations. Her actions and her statements catch a strong economic and political leaderships and contribute to ongoing global dialogue on gender equality. Kamala Harris' own positions, her leaderships influence diplomacy and emphasize the importance of women's participations in discussion making progress at all levels of government. Let's say about the Emma Watson, the main character of Harry Potter. As a United Nations Goodwill Ambassador, she inspired governments and organizations to rethink policies of women's rights, strengthen the role of celebratory diplomacy in global gender policies. And she always a woman and a girl who motivated to stay strong and work hard. Women have two sides, one who is standing by their sides and the other without any support. They always stand strongly and shine brighter in front of the world. Every woman has its own blessing and they are confident in their abilities. There are many women and girls out there hearing that negative comments and feeling demotivated. But remember, the negative doesn't matter at all. It's not worth it. Michelle Obama rightly said, and this is the perspective I generally believe in. When I hear about negative and false attack, I don't invest any energy in them because I know who I am. Every woman has his own blessings and they are confident in their own abilities. She's a devoted Mother, a loving wife and a caring sister and daughter. Her spirit shines brightly in every aspect of life, and her beauty radiates from within. Whether in joyous moments or challenges, she embraces it in all aspects and warmth. Calling, calling them beautiful is easy. Treating her with respect is what truly matters. Women recognize and value their worth and have the ability to make their own decision and rights about their lives, their careers, and what's best for them. Women have the power. No hero or prince is gonna come and save her. She can take care of herself. Thank you.